Today, I am giving you a tour of 4730 South Element in Mesa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this fantastic 3-bedroom Eastmark home built in 2025. This 2-story residence features wood-look flooring across the first floor, recessed lighting, and an abundance of windows that create a bright and inviting layout. The upgraded kitchen is designed for both style and function, featuring stainless steel appliances, a large kitchen island, decorative stacked glass upper cabinets, and an oversized pantry with plenty of storage. Located in the highly desirable Eastmark community, residents can enjoy access to pickleball courts, a community pool and spa, playgrounds, fitness center, and scenic biking and walking paths. Upstairs, all 3 bedrooms are thoughtfully located alongside a versatile loft flex space that can be used as a home office, media area, or additional lounge space. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. This home truly combines modern upgrades throughout, functional living space, and exceptional community amenities in one beautiful Eastmark rental opportunity. In addition, the second-floor laundry room includes extra cabinet storage and washer and dryer hookups for added convenience. To wrap up the tour, here is the primary bedroom, which includes a spacious ensuite with a walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. Thanks for watching the tour.